When to use the traffic objective in your Facebook ads. Hi, my name is Regitze from British Marketing Agency. So when do you want to use the traffic objective? The traffic objective is the thing that you tell Facebook that you want them to do with your ad. And that is the objective where the most people will see the ad. But the thing is that Facebook knows exactly what actions the users are usually taking. And the traffic objective is just traffic. That means that you'll just get people to see your ad, and maybe some will go to your website or to your store or whatever link that you have that you want them to go to, but they're not going to take any action. They're not even going to like your post, because it's just like views. You're just getting views, and Facebook knows really, really well which people normally just look at things and which people will click and which people will buy. So the traffic awareness or the traffic objective is just, they're just going to show your ad to people who just are looking at things and not taking any action. So when do you want to use that? Well, you can use it if you are a big brand and you have lots of money to spend on ads, and it can be used for brand awareness, so that a lot of people see your ad and you're okay with that. It's not giving you any sales because you probably have other ways to get sales. So it's just to get people to know your brand better. And you can also use it to grow your Instagram page, actually, because right now there's no other way to grow your Instagram page except boosting a post. But this is also kind of boosting a post, just going through Meta, which is the Facebook and Instagram ad platform. Facebook and Instagram, they work together. Actually, Instagram is owned by Facebook, or it's called Meta. So you can use traffic objective to grow your Instagram page and send lots of people to your Instagram page, but only a few of them will actually follow you. But that's what you can use it for. And brand awareness for big companies, or also if you want to spend money on that. Also, if you want to send them to a piece of content on your website, for instance, if you want them to see a blog post that you made or a video or so, then you can send them to your website and they'll see that. It's also kind of brand awareness, so you establish some trust and credibilities, and people get to see you as an expert, and then maybe down the line they may purchase from you. So it's also kind of brand awareness. So that's what you can use the traffic objective for. It's really not for sales or getting leads. You really very rarely get any sales or leads from the traffic objective. So comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more. And if you're a coach or consultant and you like to grow your brand and get more clients, then we specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants with Facebook ads, and we actually have an offer right now where you only pay when you get a client. When you actually have a sale, then we charge a small percentage of that sale. So you really have nothing to lose. You only earn money, and we'll only earn money when you earn money. So book a call with me to learn more about it. There's a link in the description, and also down below there's some free downloads. There's a Facebook ad template for coaches and consultants. Go ahead and download that. And we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies. Go ahead and download that. And you can join our Facebook group, where I post lots of tips around paid and organic marketing. So link in the description, you can join that also. And you can also become a member of this YouTube channel and get access to other videos that are not being posted here. So go ahead and click the button below and become a member. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.